You know, I can't help but feel like we've been talking about this move for a while and warning that it was going to come, and it has. Shib has woken up and entered a little bit different zip code, a price that we have not seen since February. But I think what is even more interesting is we actually just hit some 2024 levels on a different chart. And this is very important for what comes next year. Shib is doing a ton of great things right now. And all we needed was the market to allow this to happen. And we're finally getting to that point. We're going to talk about all that and more in this video. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So Shib is looking great. I love to wake up and see, almost 11% candle in terms of Shiba Inu, guys. We ran all the way up to 40156 overnight. This is awesome. Shib showing a lot of strength, a lot of confidence. You guys can see the RSI on the daily is actually approaching overbought right now. MACD very, very heavily flipped bullish. And what you're seeing is a sea of green across the crypto market. But what's really helping this is meme coins in general are green, green, green. In fact, over the last 24 hours across pretty much all these meme coins, at least the top 175, I can cut it off right there. Top 175 meme coins, Shib is the best performer. And that's not surprising because the fundamentals have been incredibly good for a long time. We have stressed this time and time again. Whale accumulation high, holder conviction high. And all we needed was just a little bit of spark of excitement in the crypto market. And so what we've now done is we've actually climbed to prices that we have not seen since February of this year. So yes, this right now is a trend reversal in terms of Shiba Inu. Now, what I will say is that we do need to watch this closely. This is actually just, that's not what I wanted. that'd be great. What we really need to watch closely is this trend right here, okay? This is actually what we were doing in the summer of 2024. I keep referencing back to this because this is our closest point of a trend reversal. And so right now we are very much following what we did at that point. So that means we could obviously come back down. We could retest some of these levels. So just understand that that is a possibility. I'm not saying this is going to happen because what we're seeing right now too is a little bit different fundamentals. All right. We have seen whales build their position in big ways. We have seen actually the longest periods of whale accumulation that we have seen in this bull market cycle on this trend down here. And what might be present that was not here and was not back here was adoption. Okay. So again, we have an embrace of crypto here in the US. We have an overhaul in terms of the crypto market. We got down to the bottoms in a hurry here. All right. And what we're seeing on a trend level for Shib as well is if we look at the weekly, we are actually seeing a little bit of hidden bullish divergence. And what I mean by that is we're actually seeing these bottoms of these wicks down slightly on the rise. It's almost flat, but it's rising. And you're seeing these bottoms actually on the drop for the RSI. It's hidden bullish divergence. That is a bullish trend, could indicate a bullish reversal, which is exactly what Shiba Inu is doing right now. So the setup is basically perfect for this next leg to take place. And now this is where you start seeing the impact from this removal of supply from exchanges, right? This is where you start seeing this impact of this massive accumulation that's been happening for whales. Yesterday was another inflow day, 30 billion Shib added by whales. So great sign there. And this is all happening while ETH is flat. Okay. Last 3 days, not much of a trend for ETH. Last 3 days for Shib, hell of a trend going on. And in fact, what's interesting here is we look at this Shib ETH chart, we're still following that parabolic trend that we had been setting. And we have actually reached some December of 2024 levels. So yes, this is a full-on reversal. This is Shib actually breaking this long-term trend, which is a big, big deal. So now we're kind of in no man's land. Shib has good fundamentals. And if confidence continues in the market the way it is right now, we could see a very quick flip towards higher prices, but towards adoption taking place as well. And that is where Shib again performs its best. All right. Now, I'm not saying that, this is the moment where it's going to happen or anything like that. It's going to be surprising. All right. I will be just as surprised as you guys when we do see one of those wicks where Shib runs, 50%, 100%, whatever it may be. But again, we might be doing one of these right here. All right. We might be doing one of these right here. It could be a little bit more modest and then a retest. It all comes down to what does that capital on the outside of the space start to do right now, right as we're starting to see again a total market cap breakout. We're fighting this 200-day right now. What starts to happen as USDT dominance falls below 4.95%. I mean, these are the big things that everybody should be watching right now and asking these questions. What is SHIB going to do when the market actually heats up? That's why I'm saying you've seen nothing yet, because we haven't even started. All right. This is the tease. This is the little warning for what comes next for Shiba Inu. And I'm really hoping that everybody's taking these times to accumulate. I hope everybody bought, down in these deep discounted ranges. Again, we did something very similar to what we did back here. We tested our gift zone. We actually broke through the bottom of this, and now we've re-entered. We're about midway here. And once SHIB starts breaching some of these resistance levels, I mean, guys, it's a very short road up to 402, 403, 404. It can happen in, again, a matter of days. Okay. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.